What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto, and I'm back, and I'm super excited. I just got some sleep. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep because I was thinking about my Sur-Ron, and I am stoked. I don't regret this purchase at all. I don't regret canceling my Super 73 order at all. I'm having a blast this morning watching all the forums, watching the comments on my videos. I kind of understand what y'all are saying. Some of you guys that love Super 73 are saying I'm comparing apples to oranges, but I really do not agree whatsoever. I understand where you're coming from, but I don't agree because the Super 73, it's $3,000, and they claim that it's actually like $3,500 or whatever at full price. So they're pricing themselves in a category that they need to compete in, and you can get for the Sur-Ron, you can get a pedal kit. So it can be a pedaled electric motorcycle, pedaled electric bicycle, whatever you want to call it. The same as the Super 73. People aren't pedaling the Super 73 around. They're riding it under full power. So they're doing the same thing. So it's just not like that. And, you know, what I really love about the Sur-Ron is that you actually know what you're getting, and it's tried and true. And the quality's there. People love it. They run it through there's a guy online that races enduro races with this thing. There's people that use it to commute to work. It actually can get out of its own way. It's like actually fast enough to get you to and from places without getting in the way of traffic and stuff like that. It's got regenerative braking. You actually know what's going on. The battery has Panasonic cells. Really, really good batteries. The battery weighs like 25 pounds in the Sur-Ron. The weight isn't even that much more. It weighs 110 pounds. The Super 73 weighs like 80 some pounds, so the weight's not a lot more. Anyhow, I don't know. I think you're comparing apples to apples more or less. But let's get on the computer here and just take a quick look here. I want to look at something real quick. So, the other cool thing is you're getting like the same bike that you get from Segway that's like $5,000. But let's go into Luna Cycle's website and just go over some of the cool stuff about this bike, the specifications that you actually do get. You actually do get the real specifications. Here it is. It's the Sur-Ron Black Edition. So, what you're getting, this is a limited edition included in an upgrade motorcycle grade needle bearing headset. So the headset was given some issues with the old model. You're getting an upgraded headset. You're getting a sine wave X controller. So you're getting smoother, quieter operation. You're getting more power. Some people say 10, 15, 20% more power. You're getting more power than their old controller. These electric bikes are no different than an RC car. So it's really no different. You got your motor here, okay? And then you got your electronic speed control right here. So this is what they're upgrading for you on this new one. So you have the same component. You have a speed control on an electric bike, and then you have the electric motor. And the motor and speed control on the Sur-Ron are just really, really nice. Really, really nice stuff. The battery too, very important, super important. The battery's like the most important thing. Super high quality batteries. It comes with a 60 volt, 31.9 amp hour Panasonic battery. The battery alone is worth between $1,500 and $2,000. If you guys need more information, just get on Luna's website and check it out. They actually do have some bikes left. Go! You can't be in here.
Daddy?
What? What?
I just want to eat.
Yeah, I'm making food. Here, have some chippies. Take these out there. Here, take these. There you go. Take them to the TV.
Yay!
Excuse me, sorry about that. Daughter walked in, and she is just running around in her diaper, so she can't be on here. But, yeah, they are road legal. You can put a switch on there to go ahead and limit it down to the road legal limit and to get you down to 750 watts, which is awesome on the Sur-Ron. But there's lots of good information online. You can go on to their YouTube channel. It's super interesting. and just I'm really excited. I did order the graphics kit, so check it out. I'll pull up a picture so y'all can see it, but it's the 46 Project graphics kit, and I actually found it on eBay. So it's coming out of China, just like the bike, but the graphics kit looks amazing. So I'm super excited because the one I'm getting is black, and I want to put some graphics on there to make it look really killer. And I've always loved Valentino Rossi. I love his paint scheme, the Rising Sun. So this has the Rising Sun Ineos motor oil. It's like a European brand, European race team. It's going to be super dope looking, and my helmet will go just fine with it. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to be making more videos today. If you want to see something, let me know. Hit me up. I think I'm comparing apples to apples. I'm sorry. Super 73, step your game up. I know you tried to with this RX, but you guys aren't communicating like you should be. It's hard to get a hold of you. It's hard to know what you're getting. The specifications aren't there. It's very hard to get details about if the battery's, 48 volt battery, 52 volt battery. What is it? I don't know. It's hard to figure it out. Eventually you figure this stuff out on your own. And then you realize what you're getting, and yeah. Anyhow, sorry. That's just all my opinion. I'm entitled to my own opinion. Please share your opinion. Do your research before you make a big purchase like this. Make sure you're going to get something that's going to last you and you're going to get good use out of, and you're going to be able to really enjoy it. And it's not just going to look really cool, because it is important to look cool, but it's also important to back it up and perform. So I'll catch you all later. CJ Moto out.